Hello everybody, what is going on? My name is Aiden and welcome back to yet another Fortnite video here on the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how you can merge your Epic Games accounts here within Fortnite Chapter 6 Season 3. I still cannot believe we've already made it this far into Chapter 6. It's pretty wild. Now this season has definitely shaken up the gameplay a lot. I'm not going to lie, I like it a lot more than the previous little Star Wars mini season, because that one just didn't really have any ammo setup stuff, and the focus on blasters was not really too much of my thing. And this season is kind of nice to get back to what Fortnite was before this, at least within Chapter 6 so far, and I can't wait to see how it evolves. But let's focus on what you guys came here for, merging accounts. Yes, it does still work. Epic did bring this feature back a while ago, even though it functions a little bit differently than when it was first introduced way back then. So enough wasting time, let's go ahead and jump right in. But if this video does help you out, please make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe. And on top of that, consider sharing it with a friend who might also need help merging their accounts. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment down below as well, or just simply join my Discord server. The link is going to be in the pinned comment. The first step is actually going to the pinned comment, by the way, because you're going to find a link to the official Epic Games Can I Merge My Account page. Even though this page does say merging accounts isn't possible, don't worry, just scroll all the way down on this option. Just scroll all the way down on this page and hit contact us just like so. And it's going to pop up with this page right here if you're not already signed in. Sign in real quick. And once you get logged in, you should be taken to a page that looks something like this. Now, the reason that this is so important is you must access the support form through this page because Epic uses tracking to see which page you're coming from. And if you skip this step, your request might be ignored. So yeah, make sure you're accessing it that way, otherwise it's not going to work. Now, once you get to this form right here, you're going to need to fill in a few fields. For the platform option right here, even though it says it's optional, you do need to fill this out. This is the section where you're going to want to choose the platform that you're currently using. So for example, right now I'm on PC, so I'm going to go ahead and select PC. But this is also going to work with Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch 2. I actually wonder if there's a Nintendo Switch 2 option. There's not. That's interesting. In the product section, go ahead and select other all the way at the bottom. And then for the contact reason, also select other at the bottom. Now, describing your problem is the most important part on this page. So keep in mind, I did make a sample message that you can modify to fit directly with whatever you're trying to do. And it says, hi, comma, I'm having trouble linking my, and then here you put your old platform account to my current, and this is where you're going to put that new platform Epic account. I've been trying for a while, but I just can't figure it out. Can you please help me merge them? Now, be sure to customize it with your actual platform names. I'm going to do this so you kind of get an idea real quick. So my old platform, we're going to say Xbox on here because I did used to play on Xbox. And then for the new platform, this is going to be what you're currently playing on. So in this case, I'm going to put PC. Make sure you customize it for whatever accounts you're using. And I would definitely recommend avoiding copying the exact message that I give. I would recommend switching up the phrasing just a little bit just to make it a little bit more personal, because a lot of people see these kinds of videos and then a lot of people copy the exact same thing, and then occasionally it might not work because of that. So just a heads up, kind of change it up a little bit, make it a little bit more personal, whatever floats your boat. Now, after you fill out this form, you're going to want to hit continue just like so. And it's going to search for some stuff here. You can ignore all of this stuff. It's not actually helpful. But once you get to the very bottom of this page right here, go ahead and hit this little thumbs down option. And it's going to say you still need help. Then it's going to prompt you with even more stuff. Scroll down again until you find the option for submitting an email request. You don't want to do this over a live chat. It's not going to work if you do that. You need to hit submit an email request. So it's going to send in the support request. It should look something like this once you do so. And here's where it gets a little bit tricky. So I'm going to walk you through a few different scenarios. Now, Epic will reply to this email that is associated with your current account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Now, this doesn't include weekends, so just a heads up, if you do it on a Friday, you're not going to get a response till Tuesday. And they're going to ask for additional information, like the emails tied to each Epic Games account, as well as details confirming ownership of both accounts. So you will need to have all of that information. If you don't, this is not going to work for you, so keep that in mind. But once they verify everything, they're going to walk you through the final steps. Now, if they do deny your request, because sometimes support may respond saying the feature just isn't available anymore. Don't panic. You do need to submit another request if this happens. You might have just gotten a rep who really wasn't that helpful. Just try again and you'll likely get someone more cooperative. And if you do need any more help, just let us know down in the comment section below, or just join the Discord server linked in the pinned comment, and I'll do my best to help everyone out. But yeah, it really is as easy as that. If you have any questions, once again, let us know down in the comments or in the Discord server, and make sure that you like this video. If this helped you out, share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe and turn on all notifications for more helpful Fortnite content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.